Does the idea of spending massive amounts of money on the medications that your pet need leave you with a bad feeling? This occurs quite frequently, but sadly, your pet cannot tell you how they are actually feeling. In order to get the biggest benefit possible, you need to be well aware of all of the details pertaining to a home remedy for your pet to ensure that they are safe, no matter what you are trying to do. With a bit of research put into finding the best home remedies, you are certain to find some results that are highly effective, yet much friendlier for your wallet. One of the biggest problems that strike at pets is fleas. These little pests are extremely difficult to get rid of once you have them, but as miserable as they make you, it is worse for your pet. A cheap way to rid your pet of fleas and have them smell great with no greasy feel is to use Pert Plus shampoo. This is actually a remedy that is highly recommended by groups such as Greyhound Rescue, since so many flea treatments are actually toxic to the breed. Using the shampoo to bathe your pet not only keeps them smelling great, but it is wonderful for their skin as well. With affordable prices, you can give weekly baths to keep them looking great without hurting your wallet, or potentially overdosing them on the treatment. If you suspect that your pet has dirty ears that need to be thoroughly cleaned, reaching for the Vinegar is a safe and cheap cleaner that you can use. Carefully using the solution and thoroughly drying the ear after cleaning will help to clean your pet's ear and also reduce the chances of an actual infection. However, if your pet does develop an actual ear infection, then you can treat the infection using natural remedies such as Marigold and even tea tree oil. By inserting small amounts of the oil into the ear, it is effective in killing the bacteria that causes the infection. Other remedies that can be used is looking to rosemary extracts to help build up the immunity of the ear. If the ear has a very weak dermal layer, it is much more likely to fail against an infection. A strong ear that is well protected, clean, and includes a sufficient dermal layer will hold up much better against ear infections and reduce the number of vet trips that you will need to make. Another common problem that animals tend to have is their nails grow quite excessively. If the nails on your pet are quite long and you cut them slightly too far back, you run the risk of them bleeding. To stop the bleeding and help soothe the nail, you can apply a small amount of baby powder to the nail that was cut to the quick. This is extremely effective to help stop the bleeding and prevent the nail from becoming infected. If you leave the nail exposed without any protection, you will find it much easier to allow infection in. A small bit of effort will allow you to ensure you are able to protect your pet from any undue pain or difficulty. A small bit of prevention is often essential to preventing the majority of problems for your pet, but at times, this is not always possible. If you suspect that your pet has a serious problem, it is best to seek the advice of a vet who can determine the best treatment plan for your beloved pet. Never continue with a home remedy if it seems to be causing your pet additional problems. With affordably priced home remedies easily available, you will typically find that getting the perfect home remedy for your pet is quite possible. There is no reason to worry that you will not be able to use a home remedy for your pet. There are plenty of great options that you can use to keep your pet happy and healthy. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to be notified whenever we publish a new video.